Hello guys, welcome to the channel NY Scares. In this video, we will start AutoCAD from the basic commands. So let's start with the draw toolbar. And draw toolbar, there are many commands given like line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, polygon, etc. So we will start from the line, that's what actually line means in AutoCAD. Now to draw a line in AutoCAD, select the line command, you can see there, and you can type also here, that is for line command you can use L. You can see here that line, and now they are asking for to specify first point. Now it depends on you from where you want to draw your first point. So let's the first point is this. Now they are asking to specify your second point, that is next point. Now it depends on you where you want to click. Let's this is what line work in AutoCAD. With this line command you can draw any kind of object, it may be a square, it may be rectangle, or any kind of object which can be drawn with the line command. You can draw here very simply, and it depends on you in which direction you want to draw the line. This is my direction. But this line command, it is necessary to know about the ortho command, that is, you can see here, this is ortho command. And how it works, let's see. With ortho command you will have two types, you can achieve two types of line, that is, one is perpendicular, there will be no inclination whether you want to click, and in this direction you can see at 0 degree and at 90 degree you can draw. This is how ortho works. You can on the ortho by pressing F8. Let's draw a polygon with this line command and then see how it works. At first select the line, specify your first point, it is no, ortho is on, so is line showing like this. Now press F8 to off the ortho. Now in which direction you are going to draw the first side of the poly. Now specify your second point, then next point, like this. So this is a polygon you can draw. Right now let's draw a rectangle. For rectangle you have to on the ortho so that to achieve a straight lines, right? I have on the ortho by pressing F8. Now specify next point. Now again give the width. Now let's see. Yeah, so this is our rectangle using line command. Now another important thing to remove, how to remove the object which we have drawn in the line command. So for this you can select the object with the left click of the mouse like this. You can see it is selected. Now you can press the delete button on your keyboard, yeah, or you can use E as a command for deleting or erasing any object. Same is the case here. You can select, press delete. So this is how to delete an object which we have drawn here in AutoCAD. Now we have another type of line, that is polyline. Let's see how it works. Let's draw a line with the polyline. So we have drawn an object with the polyline. Now draw with the line. So we have drawn two objects with different types of lines. One is with the line command, simply this object, and one is with the polyline command, this object. Now in order to understand the difference between line and polyline, for this purpose I have drawn two objects. Now let's see what is the difference between line and polyline. This object which we have drawn with the polyline, you can see if you want to select, it is selected as a whole, and this object, if you want to select, only one part of the line is selected. That is, you can see this object is the combination of different entities of lines, and this object is acting as a single entity, you can see. So this is the simple difference between line and polyline. You can see that if I want to select this object, this is selected as a whole. Now if I want to select this object, only that line is selected. So this was the main difference between line and polyline, and it has uses and next stages of AutoCAD. So guys, this was our first video. And next video we will know about some other commands. Stay connected with us, and if you are new here, subscribe our channel. Thank you.